Hi, Luis.
I am going to introduce my solar system. This is the sun. It is counted as a star because it gives its own light. And this is Mercury. It doesn't have moons because it's too close to the sun. And the sun, and when each one part of the Mercury falls off, the sun, the heat directly melts it. And Venus also doesn't have sun, like any moons, because it has the same thing. The same thing happens. This Mercury is white, blue, and red, and this is kind of like reddish, orangish, brownish. And Earth, it's where we live on. And
Is Venus the hottest planet?
yes, it is. And Earth, it is the only planet in the solar system that has life. And Mars, it is slightly bigger than Earth, and it is
Why is it red though?
red because there are a lot of volcanoes inside.
It's a volcano, and then a lot of what?
Carbon
Like,
dioxide.
and then it's also because it has like iron. Okay, so that was why it's the color of red. Okay.
This is the asteroid. I make it very funny.
Okay, so tell me about the asteroid belt. What do you usually see?
Asteroids and meteorites.
Okay.
They hold on to each other so they won't fly away.
Mm-hmm.
And the ones that are actually lost in space
Mm-hmm.
are actually like this one, and this one, and this one. And this one is practically too loose to space. Like it's actually flowing like this.
Uh-huh.
And this one also is even looser.
So what happened when the meteor actually passed through the atmosphere to Earth?
It will turn smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller.
And then we call those
Meteorites.
yes. Okay. And then
And this is Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system.
and where is the inner solar system and outer solar system?
The inner solar system.
Uh-huh.
The asteroid belt divides the inner solar system and the outer solar system.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is Saturn. Its ring is made out of ice and dust.
And then you go in
And they go in
like more than 100 miles
100 miles
per hour.
And it has the most moons in this solar system. And this is Uranus. Uranus is very light blue and it smells like rotten eggs.
Yes.
And this one is like Neptune. And it also, these two planets, they have a lot of like gas inside it. And this is actually Make.
That's the dwarf.
It's a dwarf planet.
And also
Pluto is also a dwarf planet. And the Oort cloud, I don't know what that is, but it's just beyond the Kuiper belt.
yes, beyond the Kuiper belt. So right here they are the comets. Okay. So tell me about why Pluto eventually doesn't actually count as a planet. It becomes a dwarf planet.
Because it's too small.
It's too small, so the masses compared with those are not big enough, right? So the comets are usually here. So what's the difference between the comets and the
The comets
meteor?
are made of iron gas,
Yes,
and dust.
and dust.
But
Okay.
the tail of tails of comets, they don't have ice and dust.
They don't have ice and dust, but like when they actually go, they will.
They will have the tail.
Okay, so when do we actually see the Halley's Comet?
In 2061.
In 2061. So how old will you be?
15 years old.
50 years old, yes. Okay. Okay, so Tina doesn't actually get to see that, maybe. Okay, so this is your what? Solar system.